Hey guys, sorry I'm not in class today. I did want to post a video though here on Schoology for you guys to look at what it is that I'm asking you to do. This was kind of a last minute thing. I do apologize. I know I told you guys to be here. I apologize that I'm not there. But today is review for your CDB tomorrow. You did receive an email from me yesterday with information. I am going to post that PDF document here on Schoology very shortly. So you don't see that there, but it will be there. So let's talk about what it is that you're going to be doing today. So if you come down to today's folder in the second 9 weeks, you're going to see an assignment called CDB Review. Okay? And it is going to be a Google Doc, or excuse me, a Google Slides project. And it looks like this. So let me open it up. All right, so slide 1 is for you to put your name on it. That way I can look at it. And then slide 2 is going to be the directions. But if you're watching this video, I am going to go over those directions. So this is a review for your CDB that you'll be taking this week. You will need to have paper and pencil to complete most of these problems. You will need scratch paper to do these, just kind of like what we've been doing scratch paper with ordering and comparing, right? Ascending and descending order of real numbers. You're going to need paper to do this activity. So you're going to have a slide on each of the following things that we've covered. So looking at solving equations from models and given verbal, that's slide 1. Solving equations with variables on both sides. Finding slope and y-intercept from tables and graphs, so that delta y over delta x, and then the extra step. Writing linear equations from tables and graphs, that's the y equals mx plus b. Okay, so this slide, you're not writing y equals mx plus b. This slide, you are. And then the last one is functions. Now you can go in any order you want to work on these. You don't have to go in this order, but this is the order they're presented. Also, there are 4 questions per slide. You only need to do 3 of them. You do not have to do all of the questions today. There's 20 questions. You need to do 15. So each slide's also going to contain some video links there to help you since I'm not there if you have a problem. And then at the end of the presentation as well, I'm giving you the answers. Now that is there for you to check your work, not to cheat, right? I'm not really concerned with you getting, I am concerned with you getting these right, but I'm more concerned on if you understand them. So that's there for you to check to say, hey, I did it right, or hey, I made a mistake and I'm not sure. I will be near my email today, so if you have a question, let me know. And then I can maybe make a video for you, or I can respond to you in the email. I will be on my Google Hangouts as well. So let's take a look at these questions. So for example, so this is the activity. So here are your videos to help you. So you can click on those. There's 2 of them. And what you got to do on this slide is match the equation to the scenario. So here you have 4 equations. You have 4 problems. Remember, you only need to do 3 of them. Here you have 4 solutions for 4 problems. So you need to read or examine the scenario, and then you need to match the equation to the scenario. So for example, let's say that this one I thought went here. So I would grab it, and I would drag it and drop it there. All right, so drop equations here, and then I would solve it. Okay. Again, if you're not sure how to solve these, go to the YouTube video. The next one, right, this time it's just the equation. So very similar to the first one, except this time you don't have to write it. These are given to you. So here are 5 solutions. You will not only need to use 4 of them. So one of these is not a solution to one of these equations. Right. So again, more YouTube videos for help. Again, if you need help and you don't understand the videos, send me an email. The third slide is determining slope and y-intercept. Again, I know these graphs are a little hard to see. You can zoom in here on them. Once you zoom in, they're good. Some really good YouTube videos here to help you determine slope and y-intercept. And remember that delta y over delta x. Okay? Change in y divided by the change in x will give me the slope. Think about how many points do I need from a graph? 2. Make a table, right? Delta y over delta x. What does the y-intercept look like on a graph? What is the extra step I need in order to find the y-intercept? So remember those concepts that we've talked about. These are a little different than what we talked about, so maybe another way of thinking about it. And so maybe you didn't quite understand the way that we did it. So check these videos out to see maybe if that helps. Slide 4, or questions 4, is now you're going to take what you know about slope and y-intercept and apply it in writing an equation y equals mx plus b format. Again, these videos here are the same videos as before. So if you didn't watch it there, make sure you watch it here if you're not sure how to take slope and y-intercept and put it into the equation. And then the last one is functions, right? Every boyfriend can only date one girl, right? Girls can cheat though, remember that. So here's examples of how to determine if it's functions. So you have a set of ordered pairs. If you're not sure how to do it on a table, our mapping, and then the graph. All right, so again, remember the answers are down here. Each slide is duplicated. Sorry, my daughter's here. And so what you can do is when you want to know if you did it right, you can grab one of these red rectangles, and if you can drag it out of the way and your answers will come up, okay? So that way you can check your work, right? This is not there to cheat. Okay, I'm more concerned with the process today, not so much the solutions. I do want you to get the right answers, but make sure you're working through these because tomorrow when you take your CDB, obviously the answers won't be there. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. There's your directions for today. Go at it. Again, I apologize for not being there. I will be there tomorrow for your CDB, but we will not Zoom tomorrow. All right, so everybody's going to work on the CDB, and I will post that stuff today. All right, guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Bye.